Welcome to our ultimate guide on kickstarting your personal training career in Richmond, a city that values health and wellness. If you're passionate about fitness and ready to turn that passion into a fulfilling career, you're in the right place. Richmond is a vibrant city with a high demand for qualified personal trainers. With numerous gyms, fitness studios, and health clubs, it offers a supportive environment for personal trainers to grow and succeed. The first step towards launching your career is getting certified. Certification programs like the American Council on Exercise, ACE, the National Academy of Sports Medicine, NASM, and the National Strength and Conditioning Association, NSCA, are nationally recognized. These programs cover topics such as anatomy, exercise physiology, nutrition, and program design. Once certified, finding your niche can give you a competitive edge. Specializing in a specific area of fitness can attract a targeted clientele and establish you as an expert in your field. Building a strong personal training brand is essential to differentiate yourself from the competition. Your brand should reflect your unique value proposition and attract your target audience. A professional website that showcases your expertise, qualifications, and testimonials from satisfied clients is a must. Treat your career as a business. A well-thought-out business plan will help you set goals, define your target market, and outline your marketing strategies. Marketing plays a crucial role in attracting clients and growing your personal training business. Collaborate with local businesses, offer referral incentives to your existing clients, and utilize email marketing to stay connected with your clients. Networking is a powerful tool. By building relationships with other fitness professionals, you can tap into a network of potential clients and referral sources. To succeed, continuously improve your skills and stay ahead of industry trends. Attend workshops, seminars, and conferences to expand your knowledge and enhance your expertise. Prioritize client satisfaction and provide exceptional customer service. As a personal trainer in Richmond, take advantage of the resources and support available to you. Join professional organizations, participate in mentorship programs, and partner with local fitness equipment suppliers, nutritionists, and wellness centers. Embarking on a personal training career in Richmond is an exciting and rewarding endeavor. With dedication, hard work, and a passion for fitness, you can transform your love for health and wellness into a thriving business in the energetic city of Richmond.